Picture this, our bustling cities, the lifelines of progress. But what if the very projects that shape our future are compromised? What if the safety of our infrastructure is at stake? Today, we expose a critical issue that affects us all: the misuse of electoral bonds. Electoral bonds were introduced to bring transparency, but they've become a breeding ground for corruption. The problem: quid pro quo arrangements happening behind closed doors. Here's why it matters for our safety. News reports reveal that some of the biggest construction companies have misused electoral bonds. They allegedly offered financial support to political parties in exchange for winning lucrative contracts. Shocking, right? Think about it. When projects are awarded based on backroom deals instead of merit, can we trust the safety and durability of our infrastructure? The suspicion arises when you connect the dots: large donations, timely contracts. It raises serious questions about the integrity of our infrastructure. Imagine if your roads, bridges, and tunnels are built by those who bought their way into contracts. Can we rely on them to withstand the test of time? It's a risk we can't afford to take. It's time to take action. We must demand stricter punishments for corruption in the infrastructure sector. Transparency, merit, and expertise should be the cornerstones of project awards. Our safety depends on it. It is imperative that we establish a national infrastructure audit agency to address the pressing need for transparency and accountability in critical infrastructure projects. Only through such a dedicated agency can we guarantee that our infrastructure projects are built to the highest standards, free from undue influence and compromises that would jeopardize our safety and progress. Together, we can ensure a future where our infrastructure stands strong, keeping us safe and driving our progress. If you would like to see more of such videos on national development, subscribe to Construction World's YouTube channel today.